you want to think you want to, because when they're in problem solving, they can do those kind of things, so. I loved your idea with the role play, that's a good thing.
What was the idea that you had?
That you talked about how you could have added to that lesson, the role play.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good thing.
I do.
Put yourself into it. You have to put yourself into it.
And last week I had a lesson I made up where it's a superhero restaurant and they have to order from them like a superhero menu, like aqua water, and there's like Green Lantern Sprite and things like that. And then they have like the table set up like a restaurant, like there's plates and a cup and forks. And then they have like scenario cards, like what do you order steak, but you got a hamburger. What should you do?
And that's a good thing.
And then I have another example, like, well, if you ordered ice cream, you ordered 2 scoops of ice cream, but only got 1 scoop of ice cream. What should you do? And then like another one is like, someone burped at the table. What should you do? What should you say? So I made that one up for table manners.
Yes.
And then for they're gonna learn grocery math. And we have like a grocery setup. I think you should.
Yes, I thought you took me down.
And the assignment for this week on Friday, they're gonna have all scenario cards. They're gonna role play. Like one's gonna be a shopper, one's gonna be a bagger, one's gonna be the person who's gonna do do the cashier. Another's gonna be a manager, and then another one's gonna be a shopper who's gonna complain about something. So they get the role play, and then they get to switch.
Another thing you can do is you have $50 to spend on food this week. So what are you going to serve, and what are you going to buy?
Oh, I like that.
Planning, or you have $50 for 3 days of groceries. Now what are you going to fix?
And everybody has to buy the groceries. Because, a manager has to still buy groceries. Doesn't matter if you're a manager of the store.
Get the calculators.
The bagger still has to buy groceries.
That's right.
You gotta eat.
Yeah, there you go.
So that's another lesson that I created.
But that's a good thing. That's what you need to do, is put yourself into it. That's awesome.
Yes. Yeah.
Alrighty, I will see you. Let me see, I've got it written down just to make sure. 1:35 next Tuesday.
Yes, 1:35 next Tuesday.
I'll be here.
All right, thank you so much. Would you like me to walk you out?
That's okay.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's going to be this one too. No, you went out.
Are you playing time? Or are you playing?
We're playing our own rules.
Gotta press the yellow button. Draw 2. How do you like the new class?
Yay!
It's going.
It's annoying,
But it's still fun. It's still fun.
Yes.
Oh dear.
Yeah, Miss Allie was spamming on
Yeah, she was slamming.
That's not
Oh well.
what
this.
No!
Take that, Dakota.
Oh, you gotta do 2 more. You gotta do
4.
Oh, what color?
Blue, red.
Red.
This is so.
Riley! Riley!
Oh my
Go,
god.
Julian.
Go, Julian. Go, 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 go.
What color?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
Oh, well.
You don't have to.
Will. Julian tried as hard as he can. I know you can say that again.
Blue.
Yeah, you regretted that, Chubby. One more.
This is so freaking annoying and all.
Go. Julian!
Color.
Oh my god.
Blue.
You're on, girl.
Oh my God. What did you
Uh-oh. What color?
Blue.
Blue.
Did great. Red. Green light.
I just say it.
Yes, just press the button. Oh, good job, Brady.
How did you know he let me know?
You want Brady?
Usually we'd be done.
Three.
Brady.
When you started everything.
Oh.
Brady.
But we can continue playing.
Okay. If the ball came in on the
Riley! You gotta draw first.
I don't care.
Mine needs to shuffle.
Well, who wants my card? I have to.
That's fine. That's a smart idea. So what do you think of Uno Flash?
That's awesome.
Compare-
I think so.
What are you doing? We're just shuffling.
I think you know Flex was pretty good.
Ollie, go.
What?
Go. Got you. Got you. My God.
Brady got me. So what do you think of Uno Flash?
Fun, but a little bit non Is there anyone could mute the noise?
I have to look at that.
Turn the car. Because that noise gets annoying. Big one, right? You know, that's gonna be smart actually. This is like the only way. I think I'm gonna find that in. Think that's the only way to come out the end. For one
How many cards?
Riley.
I want to go ahead.
No.
You're finished.
Yeah, you gotta finish, shall we?
Allie, please.
I'll take a place. So it's not my card. I take
Let's
They're
start a new
good
game.
cards.
Riley. Riley.
Riley, Julian, soccer.
We're gonna start a new game.
Okay.
We'll do 6 seconds or 4 seconds.
6.
I take 6 too.
Actually, it was like 10 seconds.
We
Dude.
don't want everybody. Only if you're gonna play. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2.
Well, what about the other one? What is it?
Because there's no 6 places to play.
I want to just
No one has to. It doesn't have to be 6 players. Boy, come on. So how do you feel with the right play?
You only can play with 6. You guys, you're about to go to
But there's an option for 8 players on here.
Oh, we're gonna do last week.
First, right?
Couple minutes.
Another thing that's my favorite. Yeah, maybe it's back tomorrow. It was not.
You wanna bring back?
Except for the noise.
Tomorrow. Right, the same game tomorrow.
You want it tomorrow?
Yeah,
Even
this.
though no attack.
I'll leave it here.
Doing the flash.
I don't have to.
Doing the flash.
You know flash? Yeah. I'll bring it tomorrow.
I want to play more. You're later right there, right?
So